Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy Language Routine. I am very happy to talk to you today. In this video, we are going to talk about a very popular and common topic. What do you like to do in your free time? We all have daily routines. We go to school, we go to work, or we clean the house. But what happens when we have free time? Our hobbies and activities make our lives interesting. Today, I want to talk about my favorite hobbies, and I want to share some realistic examples with you. This lesson is designed for A1 and A2 level English learners. The sentences are short, the vocabulary is simple, and I am speaking slowly and clearly. Please listen to my pronunciation and practice your reading. Let's begin. First, let us talk about indoor activities. These are things we do inside the house. Personally, I have two favorite hobbies at home. My first favorite hobby is reading books. I think reading is a very relaxing activity. Every evening, after a long and busy day, I make a cup of hot tea or coffee. Then, I sit in my comfortable armchair and read a storybook for about 1 hour. I prefer reading fiction, mystery stories, and short books. When I read, I forget about my daily stress. I travel to different countries and meet different characters in my imagination. For me, reading is a wonderful way to relax my mind before I go to sleep. My second indoor hobby is cooking. I love spending time in the kitchen. For many people, cooking is a difficult chore, but for me, it is like a therapy. I love cutting fresh vegetables, mixing spices, and smelling the delicious food. On weekends, I usually make fresh pasta or pizza for my family. My friends say my homemade food is very delicious. Cooking makes me happy because I like creating something with my own hands, and I love sharing good meals with the people I love. However, I do not stay inside the house all the time. I also love outdoor activities. Being in nature gives me a lot of positive energy. On Saturday mornings, my favorite routine is walking in the park. There is a large, beautiful park near my house. It has many big green trees, colorful flowers, and a small lake. I wake up early, put on my sports shoes, and walk for 45 minutes. Sometimes, the park is very quiet, and I just listen to the birds singing. Other times, I listen to my favorite music or an English podcast on my headphones. The fresh morning air fills my body with energy for the whole weekend. On Sundays, I prefer a faster activity, riding my bicycle. I love cycling because it is both a fun hobby and a great physical exercise. I usually ride my bike for 15 kilometers on Sunday mornings. My city has many hills, so cycling can be difficult and tiring, but when I reach the top of a hill, the view is amazing. I usually go alone because I enjoy the quiet time to think and plan my new week. Let us talk about music and art. Music is very important in my life. I cannot play a musical instrument like the piano or the violin. I tried to learn the guitar a few years ago, but it was too difficult for me. My fingers hurt a lot, so I stopped. But I still love listening to music. I listen to acoustic music when I read, and I listen to energetic rock music when I exercise. Music changes my mood immediately. If I feel sad, a cheerful song makes me smile. Finally, I think having a creative hobby is very good for the brain. Last month, I started a new hobby, painting with watercolors. I am not a professional artist, and my paintings are not perfect. Sometimes I paint a mountain, and it looks like a triangle. But that is okay. Hobbies are not a competition. We do them because they make us feel peaceful and happy. Everyone has different interests. Some people love playing video games, some people love watching movies, and others love playing football or basketball. All of these choices are fantastic because hobbies give us a break from our regular lives. Our lesson for today finishes here. Thank you for watching Easy Language Routine and practicing your English with me. Now, I have a question for you. Please answer in the comments below. What do you like to do in your free time? Do you prefer staying inside or going outside? Write your answers using simple words for daily practice. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more simple English stories. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.